Do you ever dream of living a life of luxury, traveling the world, and enjoying financial freedom? What if we told you that real estate investing could help you achieve those dreams? Real estate investing is one of the most reliable ways to build long-term wealth and achieve financial freedom. In fact, the majority of the world's wealthiest people have made their fortunes through real estate investing. In this video, we will explore the different ways to make money in real estate, how to get started, and how to scale your investments to reach your financial goals. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video will provide you with valuable insights and actionable tips to help you build wealth through real estate investing. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how you can use real estate investing to become wealthy and live the life of your dreams. Before we start, make sure to like this video if you also want to become wealthy through real estate investing. Chapter 1: Ways to make money in real estate investing. Real estate investing can be a lucrative way to build wealth over time. There are three main ways to make money in real estate: rental income, appreciation, and leverage. Point number 1: rental income. Rental income is one of the most common ways to make money in real estate investing. This is where you purchase a property and rent it out to tenants who pay you monthly rent. The rental income you receive can be used to pay off your mortgage, cover your expenses, and provide you with a monthly cash flow. One of the biggest advantages of rental income is that it provides a reliable and consistent income stream. As long as you have tenants in your property, you will receive rental income each month. Additionally, rental income can increase over time as you raise rents or as the market value of the property increases. Point number 2: appreciation. Other way to make money in real estate investing is through appreciation. Appreciation is the increase in the value of your property over time. This can be due to a variety of factors, including location, demand, and improvements you make to your property. Appreciation can be a powerful way to build wealth, especially if you hold onto your property for long term. Over time, your property will increase in value, providing you with a substantial return on your initial investment. Point number 3: leverage. Leverage is the third way to make money in real estate investing. Leverage is the use of borrowed money to purchase a property. This can include a mortgage, a line of credit, or other forms of financing. By using leverage, you can increase your return on investment. For example, if you invest $50,000 of your own money and borrow $50,000 to purchase a property, your total investment is $100,000. If your property increases in value by only 10%, your return or investment is 20% because your initial investment was only $50,000. While leverage can be a powerful tool, it also comes with risks. If the market value of your property decreases, you could end up owing more than your property is worth. In summary, these are the three main ways to make money in real estate investing: rental income, appreciation, and leverage. Each method has its own advantages and risks, but by understanding these three methods, you will be better equipped to build wealth through real estate investing. Chapter number 2: How to get started in real estate investing. Getting started in real estate investing can seem overwhelming, but with the right knowledge and strategy, it can be a rewarding and profitable journey. Point number 1: educate yourself. One of the most important things you can do before getting started in real estate investing is to educate yourself on the market and different types of properties. This means researching the local real estate market, understanding current trends, and familiarizing yourself with different types of properties, such as single-family homes, multi-family properties, commercial properties, and more. There are many ways to educate yourself, such as attending seminars, taking online courses, reading books, networking with other real estate investors, or just watching YouTube videos like this. By investing time and resources into your education, you can make more informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Point number 2: set goals and create a plan. Another important step in getting started in real estate investing is setting goals and creating a plan. This means determining what you hope to achieve through real estate investing. Whether that's financial freedom, building wealth. Once you have a clear idea of your goals, you can create a plan that outlines the steps you will take to achieve them. This may include setting a budget, identifying properties that fit your investment criteria, and establishing a timeline for achieving your goals. Point number 3: start small and build experience. When getting started in real estate investing, it's important to start small and build experience. This means finding properties that are within your budget and investing in areas that you are familiar with. As you gain experience and become more comfortable with the investing process, you can begin to take on more ambitious projects and expand your investment portfolio. Getting started in real estate investing requires a combination of education, goal setting, and experience. By educating yourself on the market, setting clear goals, and starting small, you can build a successful real estate investing career and achieve financial freedom. Chapter number 3: Types of properties for real estate investing. Investing in real estate offers a wide range of property types, each with its own unique set of pros and cons. Understanding the different types of properties available can help you make more informed decisions and find the investment opportunities that best fits your goals and preferences. Type 1: Single family homes. Single family homes are a particular type of property for real estate investing, especially for those just starting out. These are standalone properties that are designed to house a single family and are typically more affordable than large properties. Pros: Single family homes are easy to rent out, require less maintenance than larger properties, and are often located in desirable neighborhoods. But there are cons situated with it. Single family homes can be vulnerable to vacancy and are more reliant on a single tenant for rental income. Example: a small bungalow or a modest suburban home. Type number 2: Multifamily homes. Multifamily homes, also known as apartment buildings or duplexes, are properties designed to house multiple families or individuals. Pros: Multifamily homes provide multiple streams of rental income, which can help to mitigate the risk of vacancy. They also have a larger pool of potential tenants, which can help keep units occupied. Cons: Multifamily homes require more maintenance than single family homes, and there may be more complex legal and zoning regulations to consider. Example: a small apartment building or a duplex. Type number 3: Commercial properties. Commercial properties are designed for business use, such as office buildings, shopping centers, and industrial spaces. Pros: Commercial properties can offer high rental income and long-term leases. They are often located in high traffic areas, which can help attract tenants. Cons: Commercial properties can require a high upfront investment and may require more complex management. Example: an office building or a retail space. Type 4: Land. Land is an often overlooked type of property for real estate investing, but it can offer unique opportunities for those willing to take on the risk. Pros: Land can be purchased at lower cost than developed properties and may appreciate in value over time. It can be used for a variety of purposes such as farming, conservation, or development. Cons: Land can be difficult to sell and may require significant development costs to make it profitable. Example: undeveloped acreage or a vacant lot. Understanding the different types of properties available for real estate investing can help you make more informed decisions and find the investment opportunities that best fit your goals and preferences. By weighing the pros and cons of each type of the property and considering examples of profitable investments, you can begin to build a successful real estate investing portfolio. Chapter number 4: Financing real estate investments. Real estate investing can be a lucrative way to build wealth, but it also requires significant capital to get you started. There are a variety of financing options available to investors, each with its own unique benefits. Option number 1: Traditional mortgages. Traditional mortgages are a popular financing option for real estate investments. These loans are provided by banks or other financial institutions and are secured by the property itself. Option 2: Hard money loans. Hard money loans are a type of short-term loan that are typically used for fix and flip properties. These loans are provided by private lenders and are secured by the property itself. Option number 3: Private money lenders. Private money lenders are individuals or companies that provide loans to real estate investors. These lenders may be friends, family members, or other investors. While considering financing options for real estate investing, it's important to have a good understanding for your own financial situation and credit score. It's also a good idea to shop around for the best rates and terms, and considering partnering with other investors to pool resources and increase buying power. Chapter number 5: Finding and evaluating real estate deals. Finding good real estate deals is critical to the success of any real estate investor. The ability to spot a good deal and evaluate properly can make the difference between a successful investment and a financial loss. One of the best ways to find real estate deals is by working with a trusted real estate agent. They have access to a wide range of properties and can help you find the right investment opportunity. You can also search for deals online, attend auctions, or network with the other real estate investors. When evaluating a potential deal, it's important to analyze the number and conduct proper due diligence. This includes looking at the property's financials, such as the potential rental income and operating expenses, as well as conducting a thorough inspection to uncover any potential issues. Ultimately, finding and evaluating good real estate deals requires a combination of market knowledge, experience, and a sharp eye for opportunity. With practice and perseverance, anyone can become a skilled deal hunter and successful real estate investor. Chapter number 6: Managing Real Estate Investments. Managing your real estate investments effectively is crucial to ensure their long-term success. This involves a range of tasks such as finding tenants, collecting rent, and managing the property. One of the key aspects of managing real estate investments is finding good tenants. This involves marketing the property, screening potential tenants, and conducting background checks to ensure they are reliable and will take good care of the property. Collecting rent and maintaining the property are also important tasks involved in managing real estate investments. Chapter number 7: Scaling your real estate investments. Scaling your real estate investments is an important step in growing your wealth and achieving long-term success. This involves expanding your portfolio and increasing your income streams through different types of properties. One of the key ways to scale your investments is by buying more properties. This can be achieved through various strategies, such as using equity from existing properties to purchase new ones or taking out loans to finance additional investments. Expanding into different types of properties is another way to scale your investments. This can involve diversifying your portfolio by investing in different types of properties, such as commercial real estate or land. Overall, scaling your real estate investments is a key component of achieving success in real estate investing. By using the right strategies and building a strong team, anyone can achieve their financial goals and build long-term wealth. Concluding, in this video we have covered the basics of real estate investing and explored the various ways in which it can be used to build wealth. We have discussed the importance of finding good deals, managing properties effectively, and scaling your investments to grow your wealth. Now it's time for you to take action and start your own real estate investing journey. By educating yourself on the market and different types of properties, securing financing, finding and evaluating good deals, managing properties effectively, and scaling your investments, you can achieve success and build long-term wealth through real estate investing. To help you get started, there are many additional resources and tools available, such as books, online courses, and investment platforms. These resources can provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. So if you are interested in real estate investing, don't hesitate to take the first step. Subscribe to this channel to get more valuable tips and insights, and leave a comment to let us know how you plan to start your own real estate investing journey. Remember, with the right mindset, strategies, and resources, anyone can achieve financial success through real estate investing. Signing off, Dhruv from Invest Money.